Good evening, everyone. Thank you so much for joining on time. So we'll begin our demo day by introducing what the demo day is about. It is a platform that we have created as Bunifu Kids to be able to provide techies that we have selected through an intensive interview process to showcase their skills. So before they get a chance to interact with the kids that we have in our program, they go through a demo day to provide us with an idea of what skills they've got and also for them to have an idea of what we expect them to impart on the kids. So it's also an opportunity for them to get mentorship and guidance. And we hope that you're going to actively participate in questioning their demos and also guiding them on how to do it better. So we'll go straight ahead to the agenda of the day. So first things first, we'll have Eugene introducing our panelists, and then we'll introduce the teams. We have 3 teams today, and then we'll go directly into the pitches and allow you to have some questions. So Eugene, you can join and begin by introducing the panelists.
So thank you so much, guys. Thank you for participating in our very first demo day for Bunifu Kids. So this is a very wonderful opportunity to just see what's out there in terms of tech and also to impart the same to kids who are joining our platform. So, so it's a very good opportunity to just hear what is out here in terms of technology, and also we work very hard with the with the people and the mentors on our platform to be able to equip them with the industry level skills so that they, apart from just pitching, they're able to impart that to kids. So this is a showcase of some of our potential like mentors who are joining to mentor the kids, and they will be able to emulate the same thing to the kids, but also have an opportunity to showcase to the world what they can be able to do. So without further ado, today we have an esteemed panel who joined us to assess and just to look at what we have. So I'll start, they will open, I'll encourage the panelists to just open your microphone and whenever I mention you, you open your microphone and your video so we're able to see you. So without further ado, let me start. We have with us, we have Lavenda Birike. So Lavenda Birike is the co-founder of Pulsurance. Pulsurance is a groundbreaking technology company that's seeking to revolutionize how insurance is redistributed, especially in the agri-tech space. They are building wonderful solutions. They've partnered with amazing organizations, both local and global, to be able to distribute insurance products. It's a startup, but they're breaking a lot of ground. So the CEO and co-founder of Pulsurance here is that Lavenda. So Lavenda, maybe you can say something and just wave to the crowd. Lavenda Birike, you can say.
Hi, Eugene. Thank you so much for the introduction. I will switch on my camera and say hi in a few. As you've mentioned, I am the CEO and co-founder at Pulsurance. We are innovating in the insurtech space. It's lovely to be here, lovely to see everyone who's here to showcase what they've been working on over time, and I'm really excited to hear and give feedback on the same. Thank you.
So thank you, Lavenda, for that. Next is Dr. Zimari Tadesse. So Dr. Zimari Tadesse is the CEO and co-founder of Tenaseb. Tenaseb is a groundbreaking technology company in the health tech space in Ethiopia. So they are working on a lot of female health products. They've been at it. They've been doing a lot of work in advancing a lot of health tech technologies in it. So without further ado, I will allow her to say hi and make a few remarks.
Hello, everyone. So I am Zumari. I'm excited to hear what you guys are going to present today. Thank you.
So next I have, next on the stage is Ivan Ruema. So Ivan Ruema is a young trailblazer. So he's been able to grow through the ranks of technology. So currently he's the Chief Marketing Officer of Kudi Books. Kudi Books is the first accounting software in Rwanda, enabling small businesses to be able to find a platform where they can be able to be compliant and serve people in a compliant environment. So without further ado, let me invite Ivan Ruema, you can say something.
Hi, good evening, everyone. I'm Ivan Ruema, as Eugene just introduced, with a background in communications and marketing spanning across various industries, from tourism to all the way to technology in between that. And I'm excited to be here this evening. Thank you.
So next we have Lydia. So Lydia is an entrepreneur and also a software developer par excellence. So she has a master in software development, and she has worked with various industries from health tech to the banking sector. But currently she's working with an award-winning software development company in Ethiopia as one of their the senior software developers. So maybe Lydia say something and say hi to the group.
Hey, hello everyone. I'm Lydia, and thank you, Jen, for a good introduction. And I'm excited to be on this program. Thank you.
Okay, thank you. So we have next we have Koech. Koech is Chief Technology Officer for RiproLink. RiproLink is one of the leading health tech platforms currently launching in Ethiopia and to go beyond. So maybe Koech, you can say something and we'll proceed. Okay, sorry, I think I've lost Koech. So let me introduce Pauline. Pauline works for the Kenyan government. She is in the compliance and audit space in the Ministry of Treasury. So welcome, we are glad to have you, Pauline. So maybe you can say hi and introduce yourself.
Hello there. I'm sorry I have flu. My voice is not very clear, but I'm excited to be here. I'm looking forward to our insightful engagement. Thank you.
So thank you, Pauline. So without further ado, we will now proceed to, I'll return it to Wanjiru so that she introduces the teams for today.
Okay, thank you so much, Eugene. So we'll go straight ahead to have the teams introduce themselves before they begin the pitches. Unity Giving, let's have Wilson and Alice say something. We just want to hear your voice before you begin your pitches.
Hello, I'm Alice, one of the team members of the Unity Giving.
Hello, everyone. Hello,
Go ahead,
everyone.
Wilson.
I'm Aganyo Wilson, working with Alice. Together, we have formed the Unity Giving team. Thank you.
Thank you, Wilson. Let's go to the second team. That's the HealthLink team. Gerald and Stacy.
So hello, I'm Gerald Omboy, a member of the HealthLink team.
Hello, my name is Stacy Beth. I'm a member of HealthLink.
Okay, thank you, Stacy. And then the final team, Tushauriane, that is Cynthia and Ladesha. Please say something.
Hi everyone, I'm Ladesha Michelle, co-partner with my next partner on Tushauriane application. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Cynthia Wanja.
Okay, please mute your mic, Wanjohi. Thank you. Go ahead, Cynthia.
Hello, my name is Cynthia Wanja, working together with Ladesha, working together with.
Oh, okay, thank you, Cynthia. I hope you fix your mic issue. So right ahead, we'll go to start with the pitches. So the first team is Unity Giving. They'll be presenting their problem statement and also the solution. So panelists, get ready to take notes and also give feedback. So Unity Giving, the floor is yours. You can share the screen and get started.
Let me take a moment of your time to show you this video.
Okay, Alice, we can't hear the audio.
Of course, that is a video from a recognized media house here in our nation. We'll all agree that all over the world, there exist large numbers of organizations that support the charitable cases. But why are people still suffering? Where do the donations go? Okay, let us be honest with one another. Some people hesitate to make donations or even lack to make the donations. Why? Because of confusion. I would ask myself, should I take the donation direct to the affected individuals or should I trust the intermediary? Of course, this is an issue of transparency in donation management, which poses a significant challenge in the charitable sector. It consequently leads to lack of accountability. If the organization do not provide the clear details of how the donations are being managed, of course, there will be accountability issues of the entrusted funds. Secondly, misuse of funds. With lack of transparency, there is a high risk that the donation funds are being utilized for other purposes rather than the intended ones. Last but not least, we have the diminished trust. Absence of transparency leads to diminished trust between the donors and organization. It consequently hinders a long-term contribution or even potential contributions in the future.
Yeah, we all understand that for every problem, there needs to be a solution. Just like where there's a storm, there must be a wind. So in order to prevent the reoccurrence of the problem, we need to provide an end to this challenge, the donation, transparency in donation. We came with a system, the Unity Giving, which is a system that bridges the gap between the organization, charity organization, and the donor. As you can see on the screen, there's a true entry portal, that's the organization and the donor. So the donor can register in our system, and also the organization can register on our system, and we can assess the authenticity of each user. On the right side, you can see that the organization will be able to add details of donation. Then the donor can make the donation appropriately. Of course, for a business, there need to be profits. That's the major goal for any enterprise in the field of finances, because we can't operate if there are no finances in our business. So this our system will able to get revenue and profits through transaction fees. We'll take a certain commission, a certain percentage for any transaction taking place within our system. We'll also have we'll also understand donor behavior and the data being shared to our system, and which will help us to understand both the organization and the charity behavior. Our system can also marketize other partners or other organization in the system so that they can be exposed in the digital space.
Okay, let us get to the interesting part. How will this system impact lives? For instance, it may be your brother or your sister without food or shelter. It may be your brother or your sister suffering from an illness and does not have the medical funds or even a platform to raise the funds. And even children who lack finances to cater for their education. Now you can clearly see that the donation funds from this platform will be able to address the basic needs, support programs which aim to address the social, environmental, or community challenge, and also advancing the research and innovations. But how are we going to achieve this if you are not willing to revolutionize? That is why we want to call upon everyone to join this platform in order to make a difference. We'll do a brief demo of this.
So this is the landing page of our system, the Unity Giving. It primarily take two users, that's the donor and the organization. So we made it simpler so that the organization can register on the left side and the donor can as well register on the other side. So to give a quick demo, we'll register an organization, use as an organization. So this is the registration date. The organization can add the detail of the donation. So that the donation is successfully, and we can view the available donation in order to donate. That's the donation that I added, and the donor can donate. We also provide a contact part where for any inquiries to our system users can reach out to us. And that's a quick demo of the Unity Giving.
The amazing team is Alice Nduta. I attained my bachelor's degree in computer science. I'm collaborating with
Bryce Wilson, a graduate in Bachelor of Science, Computer Science.
This is the Unity Giving team.